if I'm actually to look at this website, right, which I'm actually building on WordPress, and this plugin being Tutor LMS, which allows me to create courses, right, there is an extra space here which I'm not liking. So the something we should actually do is to click where it says inspect, right, so that we know which code is being used here and which element is being used. So I can actually do this by toggle the device to go to desktop, and now I have to move around this code. Okay, so you see I've been here, right? So if I click here, I'm not supposed to remove this, so this is not what I'm aiming for. I come here, I come here, I come here. All right, until I find something similar, like, okay, so it's on div class. If I go outside, there's nothing, but if I go inside at this area, you find out that there is what, there's this space which is showing on the screen, like this green area, right? So it's a padding which has been added. Why am I saying it's padding, right? Because if you check on the CSS code, right, there is where it says padding top, and if I'm actually going to change this value, right, let's say into 0. Okay, let me remove it and remain 0 and enter. You see this changes. So I'm actually going to come here again, go back to the HTML, go to the same class. As you can see, now it has been removed. So this is what we want to do, right? Since I am not using Elementor Pro, I'm using what, Elementor what, free version. So it is possible to edit the CSS code. So what I need to do is to select the name of the of this select, is, what do we call it, is it a select, I'm forgetting this CSS name for this area. So I'm going to close this here, then I'm actually going to refresh so that we go back, and now I'm going to go where it says customize. Then in customize, I'm actually using the theme called Astra. I hope most of the themes have this option where you can actually edit, enter any additional CSS. So the CSS section which I want to add, right, is to add the name of the class. Yes, I've added this one, right? And now I'm actually going to open here some braces, and I'm going to enter the same code which we're editing. I'm going to say padding, padding what, top, right? Then I'm going to put, is it a semicolon? Yeah. Then I'm going to put a value. So we said 0 pixels, right? If I say 0, you see there's a change which takes place. 0 px, exactly. Now we've completed, and I can actually complete by putting a, is it a semicolon? I'm forgetting this one, this full stop in code. That's what I do, say it so that I remember. After doing that, I can actually click publish, right? Then I can actually exit. Now I don't have that annoying space that shows here. I can actually go back to Elementor, continue editing my website to what I want, and hoping that I can actually create more courses. So the same thing can happen with this with this area, where we will find out our paragraph always have this extra space here, which I'm actually confused why. Maybe Elementor knows why they put this, I don't know, but it's also removable the same way. So I just want to thank you for watching, and I hope this video was useful to you, and I can say what, bye for now.